while, for, do, int, double, class, public are some Java programming tokens classified as literals, operators, separators, keywords. Its answer is keywords. Class, int, long, float, char are all primitive data types. True, false. Its answer is false. Which one of the following is correctly typecasted? Char C, long num equal to int casted C. Double db is equal to 12.0. Float f is equal to double casted db. Long ln is equal to 1234. Int n is equal to float casted ln. Long ln is equal to 65. Char c is equal to int ln. Its answer is the first one, char c, long num, int casted c. The operators double ampersand and double pipe are relational operators, assignment operators, arithmetic operators, logical operators. Its answer is logical operators.